Hi everyone, it's Monique Dana here, and today let's explore what we mean by recognition of your employees, recognition of your direct reports. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be asking you to do two things. One, to ask yourself how you like to receive recognition in the workplace, and two, to ask your employees how they like to receive recognition. Let's get started. Recognition has nothing to do with ego. As human beings, we all like to be recognized and acknowledged for our accomplishments in the workplace. It's just that it does not happen often enough. And it's usually because managers don't really know how to request feedback so that they know what their employees want as far as recognition. And because managers are uncomfortable sometimes to recognize people, they don't know how to do it. So first, I'd like you to think about yourself as a manager and how do you like to receive recognition in the workplace? And recognition can come in many different forms. It could be monetary, so a bonus or a gift card. It could be verbal, and by verbal, that can take several forms. It could be your manager congratulating you personally, one-to-one, or it could mean you receiving recognition in a group setting, in a meeting, or through email. There are many ways that you probably would like to receive feedback, and everyone is different. So ask yourself, what ways do you like to be recognized? Do you like that group recognition where everybody knows what you've accomplished? And if so, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, this is not about ego. It's truly about what you've accomplished and that you deserve to be recognized for it. Or maybe you prefer something not as public. Maybe in a one-to-one with your manager, you like to receive a compliment or acknowledgement of something you've done. So when this video is over, think about that. Think about ways that you like to receive recognition. And in doing that, that should tell you that there are many ways to receive recognition. And your direct reports are not all going to want to receive recognition the same way. Some of them might want a monetary piece of recognition. Others may want a one-to-one acknowledgement. And still others might want recognition in a group setting, on an email or in a team meeting. My point is that there are a number of ways to give recognition, and before you can actually offer that to your employees, you need to know how you like recognition. And then you're in a better place to understand how to give it to your employees. And I mentioned in the beginning of this video that many managers don't know how to ask for feedback from direct reports about how the direct report wants to receive feedback. So here's another challenge that I have for you when this video is over. I really challenge you to find ways to ask your direct reports how they like to receive feedback. Now, you can pose that question in a couple of different ways. You can do it in a team meeting where you just openly ask, and hopefully people will volunteer information to you as to how they like to receive acknowledgement. You can send out a survey, which would be an anonymous survey where they respond without you knowing who responded. Or in your one-to-ones with your direct reports, which hopefully you're having one-to-ones with your direct reports, you can ask there. So there's a number of ways that you as a manager can find out, but you really should not assume that everyone likes to receive recognition in the same way, because everyone is different. So my challenges to you today are twofold. Think about how you like to receive recognition, and then ask your employees how they would like to receive recognition. I hope this helped. Have a great day. Bye-bye.